Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in Warsaw at our tropical office with Winston Norman. Winston, great to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
I always like to be in this. This is like our vacation office, and I was always like to see how
the jungle
nice.
room,
the jungle studio. So yeah, a lot going on. This week we'll be doing a bit of broadcasting as well, and some interviews from Kiev. So if you're in Kiev in Ukraine and you're running some business there or doing something and you're watching our show, or if you know someone based in Kiev and is in there and would like to maybe jump on a quick interview with us, we'd definitely like to have you. Send me a message through either Messenger or direct message, or email, or by SMS would be great. So we'll be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, doing a lot of different interviews and some different reporting from there. So if you're there, you got a few minutes to meet up, let me know. We definitely like to get you on camera, or if you, like you said, or if you have some colleagues that are there, and would definitely like to at least talk about what's going on. Definitely like to hear from you. Now we'll take a little. We're working on our events for October. First, we have our magazine, our investment guide, going out at EXPO Real, October 4th. And then we've got our events, which is the CRE Awards, taking place October 20th, exactly 2 weeks after Expo Real, and that's in Budapest, and going very well. A lot of new jury members, a lot of new sponsors coming up, a very international group as well, a lot of investors. Also, a week right after that is our CEE Investment Awards, cover in Poland here in Warsaw. So 3 weeks after Expo. So if you can make it to either one of those, definitely worth your while to find out what's going on and meet some of the most active investors, developers in Central and Eastern Europe. Having said that, we'll take a little break. You'll see a little bit about our awards events, and we'll come back with Winston Norman and the highlights on the EuropaProperty.com website. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or europaproperty.com. So we're back with the hard news and some excitement, yeah?
Yeah, you ready for some news? Here we go.
I am ready.
Okay, we've got some interesting news from Warsaw, from JLL to begin with, and a 50-hectare plot about 50 kilometers outside of Warsaw in a town called Starowistki has been sold to a real estate developer. And this land was purchased from 63 owners and consisted of 66 registered plots. So it was quite a complicated deal.
A lot of work.
A lot of work for JLL's industrial department, because this is so they're going to eventually build a 5-building warehouse park around 250,000 square meters. Is planned for that area. So this will be probably a last mile type development or deal, I would imagine. Yeah, and JLL are very appreciate the work from the local mayor of this area.
Gets a lot of contacts, a lot of local contacts.
A lot of local contacts, and as you can imagine, the warehouse logistics industry around Warsaw is very hot at the moment.
Yeah. So, and they need that. We need it for distribution. Yeah?
We need it for all our essentials, Craig.
Exactly.
Staying in the logistics sector and moving to Vilnius, where Syrian Development has completed the first stage of the J55 Logistics Centre. It's going to be around 20,400 square meters, and it's got a total value of 11.3 million euros. And according to Laronis Kuzavas, this is being built on an 18.5 hectare site, and the company acquired it from an auction from the state enterprise Turto Bankas, and it was a former brownfield site which they've reclaimed, and it's all been cleaned up, and now they're building a modern, sustainable logistics centre. And eventually, this development will be around 70 million euros, and will total around 103,000 square meters of warehouse space that will be built in 4 stages.
Wow. So for Vilnius, big plot, big project.
Big plot. And again, it's one of the strongest sectors in the region. And there's obviously a great deal of demand. And there's already tenants in there. So,
Oh, great. So they're doing well already.
Seems to be, There's a lot of news from them coming out from Vilnius, actually. And moving back to Poland, and Panattoni have completed an expansion for Kongsberg, which is a supplier to the automotive industry. Panattoni have been working with the automotive industry quite extensively over the last few years, and it's one of the main sectors which they're building for. You've got some important news there.
Yes, just done. They were writing me about Panattoni in this project and sending me some little tips on it. Yeah,
and this factory, this Kongsberg factory, is 40,000 square meters. Panattoni delivered for Kongsberg in Poland to date. It's located. This particular factory is located in the centre of Poland, so it's got a very good location to the rest of Europe. And finally, for today, moving to Łódź, and Memos, a Warmpex group, have announced that they've developed a new co-working space in Łódź.
Oh, great.
Which is called Odgrodowa 8 Co-work. And according to CBRE, the office market in Łódź is very strong at the moment.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And obviously the office dynamics are changing as well, with more co-work and flex space coming into offices these days, with workforces coming back to the market. Maybe not needing as much space, or needing or not willing to sign on long-term leases just yet. So it's enabling companies to be a bit more flexible with their office requirements. So this is a new building.
Yeah, they need flex. Even I was just in Łódź last week at the High Piotrowska building, and big part of it is the flex.
Yes,
flex options. And we talked to a lot of the agents in Łódź, and they said yes, all of their clients they want space, but they need this extra flex space for even high traffic days like Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe Monday, Friday is a little bit less, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday a lot more people.
Yeah, I think what you're seeing as well now is in these uncertain times, companies are less willing to commit to such big space and big financial commitments. So flex offices work.
Oh, great. So a lot on logistics, it seems, today, and a bit on office, and
maybe a little bit of retail for you tomorrow.
I'll be waiting for a bit of. We always want a bit of retail. Yeah. So anyway, thank you very much for watching the Tuesday edition of Coffee with Craig, and we will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, right here in Warsaw. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.